Hello and welcome to this course, English for Business. My name is Instructor Name, and I am the founder of an academy where we teach English for business and professional communication skills. Our students are professionals from all over the world who want to work in English, whether it's internally within their company or externally with clients and customers around the world. And this course is designed to help you communicate confidently in business in English. In this course, we will learn the vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and communication strategies you need to master in order to communicate confidently in business in English. And everything we learn in this course is applicable to a variety of business situations and can be used in many different business contexts. Business English is more than just using fancy or technical words. It's also about communicating clearly and confidently in a wide range of situations. In this course, we'll look at written communication like emails and formal letters, as well as spoken communication such as giving presentations and participating in business meetings. You'll also learn the communication strategies that native speakers use when doing business in English. This includes how to politely get your point across, how to handle difficult conversations and negotiations, and how to build relationships and rapport with people from all over the world. This course is self-paced, which means you can complete the lessons and exercises at your own convenience. However, if you want to get the most out of this course and reach your learning goals, it's important to be consistent with your studies. I recommend that you spend some time each day or each week working through the course material. The amount of time you need to spend will depend on your level of English and the amount of time you have available. But even just 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Now, let's take a closer look at what you will learn in this course. The first module is Getting Started. In this module, you will learn about the different skills you need to communicate in business in English and the various topics you will need to know about. This includes making phone calls, giving presentations, writing emails, and dealing with complaints. You will also learn about the different types of businesses that exist and the different roles that people have in a business. The second module is Doing Business Around the World. Here you will learn about different business customs and etiquette around the world. This will help you avoid common mistakes when doing business internationally and make a positive impression on the people you meet. For example, you will learn about greetings, gift giving, and how to show respect to colleagues and clients. The third module is Business Vocabulary. You will learn the most common words and expressions used in business. This includes vocabulary related to sales, marketing, finance, and human resources. Each lesson builds on the previous one so that by the end of the course you will have a strong foundation in business vocabulary. The fourth module is Grammar for Business. This module will teach you the grammar you need to communicate effectively in business. This includes grammar related to making polite requests, giving instructions, and describing data and trends. We will also look at some specialized grammar areas such as phrasal verbs and idioms. The fifth module is Pronunciation for Business. In this module, you will learn the pronunciation rules you need to be understood in business. This includes the pronunciation of common business words, as well as the pronunciation of English diphthongs, minimal pairs, and common errors made by non-native speakers. By the end of this module, you will speak with greater clarity and confidence. Module 6 is Giving Business Presentations. This module is divided into two parts. In the first part, you will learn how to prepare and structure a presentation. You will also learn how to use visuals to support your talk and how to practice and rehearse before the big event. In the second part, you will learn the language and communication strategies you need to deliver a great presentation. This includes how to introduce yourself and your topic, how to engage your audience, and how to answer questions. You will also learn some useful phrases and expressions you can use in your presentation. Module 7 is Business Meetings. This module teaches you how to participate effectively in business meetings. You will learn how to prepare for a meeting, how to manage the meeting, and how to contribute to discussions. You will also learn how to give your opinion and make suggestions and how to respond to other people's ideas. Module 8 is making business phone calls. This module teaches you how to make effective business phone calls. You will learn how to introduce yourself and your company, how to ask for what you want, and how to handle objections. You'll also learn how to leave a voicemail message and how to answer the phone professionally. Module 9 is writing business emails. This module teaches you how to write clear and concise business emails. You will learn how to format an email and how to write an effective subject line. You will also learn how to write friendly and professional emails, as well as emails for more formal situations. Module 10 is customer service. This module teaches you how to deal with customers in a variety of situations. You will learn how to handle customer complaints, how to give excellent customer service, and how to build long-term relationships with customers. You will also learn how to use effective communication strategies when dealing with difficult customers. Module 11 is business negotiations. This module teaches you the skills and strategies you need to negotiate effectively in business. You will learn how to prepare for a negotiation, how to manage the negotiation process, and how to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. You will also learn how to use body language and communication strategies to get the best deal possible. Module 12 is resumes and cover letters. This module teaches you how to write a resume and cover letter that will help you get the job you want. You will learn how to format your resume and what to include in each section. You will also learn how to write a persuasive cover letter that highlights your skills and experience. Module 13 is business interviews. This module teaches you how to prepare for and succeed in a business interview. You will learn how to answer common interview questions, how to follow up after an interview, and how to negotiate a job offer. You will also learn how to make a good impression on the interviewer and how to stand out from the competition. And the last module is workplace communication. This module teaches you how to communicate effectively with your colleagues and supervisors. You will learn how to give and receive feedback, how to solve problems, and how to handle conflict. You will also learn how to build relationships and rapport with your coworkers and how to maintain a positive work environment. Every module comes with a number of lessons. Each lesson starts with a presentation where I explain and demonstrate the key points. Most of the lessons also include interactive exercises that allow you to practice what you have just learned. There are also quizzes at the end of each module to test your knowledge. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section below. I will do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this introduction and you're ready to get started, click the button to get access to Module 1. See you soon!